2007 Chevy Suburban 5.3 liter V8. Beautiful dark blue. Really beautiful truck all the way around. I always loved that body style. I used to have my Silverado was this body style. Anyways, it's got factory converters there and there. No dreaded third cat, thank God. Then what we got done on it for you guys is a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. He wanted a nice deep tone straight through. We said MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. MAGNAPACK does the trick. Part number 10416. There'll be a link in the description for it with a turn down. He didn't want it. He didn't want to see it. He wants it under the vehicle. I said, we can do it for you. There it is. There's the muffler we cut off. There's the tailpipe and the resonator. These Suburbans come with a resonator also. Muffler, resonator. You guys talking about our welds. Look at these welds right there from a pipe we cut off and cleaned up. Look at that. That's horrible right there. Anyways, there it is after. You don't see nothing. You just see the bumper and that's it. So like always guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Nice. Yeah, that's perfect. Nice deep tone. Not too loud. Again. Your sound decibels? Right at 96, 97. Not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. There's the muffler and tailpipe cut off. Think of the sound? LTZ Chevy Suburban. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Suburban 2009. MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK.